Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Shamapti and today I'm going to talk about my top 20 hair care products, maybe more. I have not counted. I have many favorites. And can you take me seriously this way if I talk about my hair? No, right? Wait. I knew it. I have pretty long hair, by the way, if you can tell. I mean, really long. I washed my hair actually a few days back. This is my, I think, third day here. These things work for me, but I cannot tell you for like 100% sure that these things will work for you because hair care is subjective. But yeah, these things are good. And if you choose to get these things, I hope these things work for you as well. So let's start with this list. And first I'm going to talk about pre-shampoo hair mask. So pre-shampoo hair mask is something we use prior shampooing. We keep this on for like 30 minutes or 1 hour, then we wash it off, and these are mostly cream based masks, which I'm going to talk about now. So first pre-shampoo mask that worked for me is from Cocoyl, their pea protein mask. Let me show you. Where are you? Pea protein. I tell you that I have so many products in front of me. I'm having a hard time to locate the thing I need right now. Alright, found it. So this is pea protein mask from Cocoyl. It has worked really well for my hair. I apply this on my hair before shampooing and I keep this on for like 20 minutes, sometimes 30 minutes, then I wash it off. And yeah, sometimes I mix oil with this mask, that way it works better, but I avoid using this on my scalp. I just use this on my hair. For scalp I use hair oil. So yeah, this mask has worked very well for my hair. My hair feels smooth, manageable, very good. I can recommend you another mask which is from Palmer's and it has worked well for me. Not as good as that Cocoyl mask, but yeah, it was decent. I use few DIY hair masks, but in this video I'm not going to talk about DIY. I might make another video for that, like henna, then hibiscus powder. Those things have worked for me. And rice water. Rice water is magic, at least for my hair. I think I have to make a separate video for that. I already have spoken about rice water in my previous videos, but it's been a long time that I have not given one update. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. But yeah, fermented rice water rinse is very good. I mean, for me it works like anything. Like, my hair loves it. So next I have hair oil. For hair oil, I love Safa blackseed hair oil. I've been using this oil for more than 6 years and my hair loves it. I mainly apply this on my scalp, but sometimes I apply that oil all over my hair and it works really well. I've seen it has helped me to grow my hair. It stopped my excessive hair fall. It is just very good, and I use Safa blackseed oil before shampooing my hair. I keep this oil overnight and yeah, it works very good. Another oil that I like for my hair is castor oil. You can use any good quality castor oil. I tried Jamaican black castor oil from Tropical Oil. It is very expensive, so you can try any other brand as well. Even you can go for like normal cold pressed castor oil from Vilva, Indulgio or Juicy Chemistry. Anything that works for you. And I have made a video about my top 5 hair oils. You might find that to be helpful. I'm going to leave the link in the description. So next is shampoo. And I don't experiment with shampoo much because I'm really scared of hair fall. And you know, when I change shampoo, sometimes I get hair fall. So I recommend if something working for you, stick to that. If you don't have to change your shampoo, don't change it, you know, because this is something like I don't like experiment much with shampoo. So I shampoo mostly once or twice in a week, sometimes twice, and for that this Yves Rocher shampoo has worked very well for my hair. I had used this for a long time, then I stopped using it because they reformulated and changed the whole packaging and I was skeptical. But then I again got this shampoo and it works like charm. So yeah, Yves Rocher shampoos are very good. Even their hair care products are mostly good. And another shampoo that I like is from Cocoyl, their hair fall control shampoo. See, I don't expect shampoo to control my hair fall, but I want shampoo not to cause excessive hair fall, you know what I mean. So yeah, this is the shampoo from Cocoyl. It also worked very well for me. And the shampoo that worked for me is from Body Shop. It is the Shea Butter shampoo. It is also very good, but I won't recommend you to use these shampoos like every day, because there are people who shampoo their hair every day and these things may dry out your hair if you do that. So for everyday hair wash, though I don't recommend to wash hair and scalp every day, you know, because I don't think that is good for the long run. But it depends on the lifestyle, because you have to go out every day in the pollution, you sweat a lot, and you just feel good after washing your hair frequently, then that is your choice. And for that, this shampoo has worked well for me, because there was a time I was exercising like crazy. I used to sweat a lot and I needed to clean my hair and scalp. So yeah, this is actually not a shampoo. This is Johnson's top to toe bath. You can use this for your hair, for your body, on your face, like if it works for you. But it won't be able to like clean your build-up if you use silicone based product or heavy hair products like styling mousse and stuff. For that you have to use sulfate or clarifying shampoo once in a while, because if you have excessive build-up, your hair is gonna fall and it is not good for your hair health. So yeah, these are the things that I use to wash my hair. Now conditioners and hair mask, and I experiment a lot with conditioners and hair mask, and I have many recommendations. First, I'm gonna give you silicone free recommendation, then I'm gonna give you silicone like products with silicone. And see, there are like two kinds of silicone: water soluble, water insoluble. So that water insoluble one, you need sulfate to wash it off, because it may cause build-up. And I have been using silicone based hair care products these days. I mean mostly because my hair feels frizzy and I need to control the frizz anyhow. What's the products with silicone? For that I have this Matfix Biolage conditioner. It is good. I have tried this one out. This is for frizzy hair. It actually controls frizz, but their hair mask is even better. This Biolage hair mask for frizzy hair, it works better than this conditioner. So if you want to get something, get this one. I mean, you don't need both of these products, to be very honest. But one thing, this Biolage used to have this big tub for hair mask, and that was more convenient, you know. Now they have started selling these things which have like very less quantity than that big tub, and I think they have discontinued those tubs. If your hair is dry, like really dry, you can go for this one, but if your hair is oily, then this might be helpful for you, but for me it works better. Next one, I have this one from Face Shop. This is their Damage Care Deep Treatment Pack. Even it controls my frizz very well. If you have frizzy hair, it can work very well for your hair. I use this as a deep conditioner. I keep this on for 5 minutes, sometimes 10 minutes, then I wash it off. And yeah, this is good as well, but it is kinda expensive. So the next product can be L'Oreal Dream Length conditioner. It was good if you're looking for something in budget. That conditioner can help you. Actually, I have finished that product and I don't know where I kept that bottle. So yeah, if you're looking for something like affordable, that conditioner can be good. It has mostly silicones, then hair conditioning ingredients, and yeah, I like that conditioner very much. But I didn't like their shampoo. Their shampoo was very drying, but the conditioner was okay, not as good as the Biolage and the Face Shop, this one conditioner, but if you compare the price, then even that one works well. So now let's start with conditioners without silicone. For that I have this one. This is very good. I have found this recently. This is from Palmer's. It has coconut oil and bunch of hair conditioning ingredients, and it worked really well for my hair. And this is love actually. I mean, I didn't expect it to work this well, but it did. I really love this conditioner. So if you are looking for something silicone free and something that can make your hair smooth and manageable, then it can be very good for you. But I have noticed the products with silicone, those things have more slip. So those things, you know, help more with detangling, but products without silicones, they don't help me much with detangling. So what I do, I detangle my hair prior shampooing. I need to tell you one thing, don't put conditioner on your scalp. I know many of you know this, but many don't. This way you might face more and more hair fall. Don't do that. Another silicone free conditioner that I liked is from Petal Fresh. I have abused the bottle, but this is also very good, makes my hair smooth and manageable, but this is very difficult to get, you know. Mostly this is out of stock. That is the con of this product. And see, I don't mind fragrance in my hair care products because mostly I'm gonna wash these things off, so I don't mind much. And for leave-in conditioners and serums, I'm gonna apply those things on my hair, not on my scalp, so I don't mind. Oh, I forgot to tell you, this is their rose and honeysuckle, the variant. Next I have this Yves Rocher conditioners, this detangling conditioner. See, they have written it is detangling gel, but don't expect it to have like transparent gel like texture. It doesn't have that. It has light texture, creamy light texture. So if you have oily hair, it might work well for you. And this one, this is their repair conditioner. So if you have dry hair, it will work for you. Sometimes my hair my hair has its own mode, you know. Sometimes it feels oily, sometimes it feels like dry, mostly dry. So I keep these things with me. And another conditioner I tried out for my shady skincare video is this one. This is from Aroma Magic. I was not a big fan of Aroma Magic. Like their skincare products didn't work for me, but I tried this one. This conditioner is actually good, affordable, but if you have extremely dry hair, it might not work for you. If you have normal to dry hair, it can work for you, and if you have oily hair, it might work really well for you. So yeah, this is their activated bamboo charcoal conditioner, and yeah, this is actually good, but I don't think they have mentioned the full ingredients. I don't know, I get the feeling when I see the ingredients list. I'm not sure, I might write to the brand. So next I have this one from Cocoyl. This is their Muru Muru Butter Damage Repair Conditioner. This one is also very good and it has worked very well for me. This is, again, if you're looking for something silicone free, then it can be a good thing for you. And another silicone free product that worked for me is True Frog Hair Mask. This is good. I'm going to try shampoo and conditioner from this brand as well. It has been marketed as a deep conditioning mask. So you apply this on your hair after shampooing, then you keep it on for like 5 to 10 minutes, then you wash it off. I keep this sometimes for like 20 minutes. If I have time, I'm shaving and doing my stuff. So I keep this on, then I wash it off. My hair feels really good. So yeah, this is a good product. And I have anything else? Okay, how can I forget about this? This is the Body Shop Shea Butter Hair Mask. This is again post shampoo hair mask. You shampoo your hair, then you use this. The texture is very good. It's thick but not oily or sticky, and it makes my hair super manageable. But this is kind of expensive, so if you're looking for something affordable, this might not be the product for you. But yeah, this is a good thing. If you want to invest your money in this, then I think it won't disappoint you. But again, don't put this on your scalp, put it on your hair, just hair. And the texture is very good. I love this. I want to try their banana hair mask as well from Body Shop. I have not tried that banana one. Okay, now I have hair serums for you, and I don't have something very promising ingredients wise. These are mostly silicone and fragrance, to be very honest. But now I am looking for something that can control my frizz. I have frizzy hair, you know, and these things work controlling frizz. So first I have this Innisfree Repairing Oil Serum. It doesn't have much oil, it has mostly silicone and fragrance. So yeah, you should know this. And right now I'm not that concerned about fragrance in my hair care serums because I don't use that on my scalp, like I told you. So yeah, this actually controls my frizz. Another serum that worked for me is from this brand Biolage. Their serum, this is, can you see it? Yeah, this is their frizz control serum, and it works mostly silicone and fragrance, but it controls frizz, so I'm okay with it for now. But I'm looking for something better, like formulation wise. If I find something, then I will let you know. But yeah, this thing actually works. They say it has avocado, but avocado comes after fragrance. I think this is the thing, the way they market their things. See avocado, the photo of avocado, but if you see the ingredients list, avocado oil actually comes after fragrance, but it does control my face, so I'm okay with it for now. And if you are looking for something silicone free, you can go for Earth Rhythm Castor Oil hair serum, but that serum didn't control my face, it just makes my hair soft. That's all. I have also tried L'Oreal leave-in cream. It was okay, not that it works, but I prefer these things, this one and that Innisfree one. Where is it? Yeah, this one better than this leave-in cream. So the last two things that have worked for me are, first, satin or silk pillowcase, and I actually see my hair feels better, like it has less frizz when I use satin or silk pillowcase. You can get either of this, satin or silk. Silicone is way softer than satin, but the result was almost the same, and the silicone is way more expensive and satin one is way cheaper, and I would recommend you to go for the satin one, to be very honest. The next thing is one scalp massager. I got it from Amazon. I can't find it. I don't know where did I keep it. Last time I shampooed it, I used it and I kept it somewhere, I forgot. Anyway, so I use this while shampooing my hair and massage this, and it helps my shampoo to work better. So yeah, that scalp massager worked well for me. Even if you oil your hair, you can use that massager, it works. So yeah, this was my list, and let me know your list, which hair care stuff has worked for you, because I also want to try out better things. And also I have been trying out other hair care products, but those things brand has sent to me and I might work with them for or in a sponsored video, so I didn't include those things in this video. And yeah, those gonna be my paid promotion thing, you know, I'm gonna mark those videos as paid promotion. So yeah, I hope you found this to be helpful, and thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe if you want to watch more videos like this. See you very soon. Bye bye. Oh god, I'm tired. Tata is sleeping over there. You wanna see him? Mama? Mama? He is not in the mood, so I'm not gonna bother him. So yeah, see you. Bye bye.